Hi everyone, I'm MEZU. Do you know MEZU? MEZU is the basic ingredient for Korean traditional marinade, like 된장. 된장 is soybean paste, and gochujang. Gochujang is red pepper paste, and 간장. 간장 is, soy sauce. And MEZU is the basis of Korean food. It is also a very healthy food. I will make delicious and easy Korean food. Well, my first menu is tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is hot spicy rice cake. It is a very popular street food and easy to cook in Korea. Shall we get started? Okay! First, I need 3 cups of anchovy stock. This is tteokbokki, the rice cake. These are fish cakes. We have many shapes of fish cakes, but we normally use square and thin one for tteokbokki. Let's cut them into small. I need green onion too. I'm gonna slice them. It sounds good. Two tablespoons of red pepper paste, gochujang, and 1 spoon of red pepper flakes, gochugaru. It is optional. And 2 or 3 spoons of sugar. And 1 spoon of soy sauce. I put all marinade into the water, 3 cups of water without rice syrup. And it is boiling. It is time to put the rice cake and fish cakes in it. And green onion. It helps to be good flavor. Can you see this? The soup has become thick. The sauce is full. So, I put rice syrup into the tteokbokki. Rice syrup is Korean 물엿. If you don't have this rice syrup, no problem. Just add 2 more spoons of sugar and turn down the heat. Like this, the soup boiled down and it looks great. It's very shiny. Now, tteokbokki is ready. This is very chewy, soft, spicy and sweet. Yummy!